Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Just opening Maya. Yes, today we're doing updating everything. So, okay, let's go ahead. Already click 11.4. Nobody else is here. Just update things quickly. Optimizing everything as much as possible. And this is like next to face, so that's why I'm keeping it little high poly. Still, like if I want, I can like definitely delete a couple of loops.
So can we leave some parts just like that, like if they're low poly enough?
Like yes, that's what like if like this is one I have used directly from ZBrush. It's pretty low poly. So
Yes.
you can definitely use it. Yes, you have to make sure the topology is correct and the mesh distribution is correct. Like here I can see it's almost fine, but still I can see little issue in model. That is I have to fix.
Okay.
That is something I have to fix here. Interior part not required. Delete completely. The fully optimized model, and this is all quads. This also inside interior inside part I have to delete. Just cleaned it. So just need couple of more things. Let's open the file, ZBrush file. Let's finish the low poly quickly.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. ZBrush open.
सर आपका स्क्रीन
Visible, right?
हाँ सर बट कुछ stuck.
Anyway, I'm opening ZBrush. Opening ZBrush was in other different window. Okay, so let's fix two things. Yesterday we were like doing all these things, cloth and all. Shift F, all low. This one I want to, like, suppose I want to export. I can do it later also. This is I can do now. So this one, everything, geometry, remesh, very low poly.
Sir, how will we pose the model?
We'll post in ZBrush only, or we can use ZBrush. We can use Mixamo. Mixamo is a Photoshop's online plugin, so that we can use directly, and we can post the model there also. But if you have like this kind of with this kind of accessories and all, you cannot pose it, but we can do it in ZBrush.
Okay. Sir, but sir, ये तो ZBrush में if we pose it will be high poly, right? How
No,
do?
we can import low poly and pose it.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Sir, after texturing and all, we'll pose.
Yes, after like once my low poly is finalized, suppose my low poly is finished, my UV is done, like final UV is ready. Then if I want, then I can pose it, and I can texture in that pose only if I want, or I can texture it everything, then I can pose it. That is also fine.
Okay, sir.
I should have used the non-thickness file. I'll just export this only, then I'll just simply shift, move it up, shift, move it up, and just select 5 tenths. Move it up, shift, move it up, shift, move it up. Let's see, this is still fine. This one is very dense. Five. Do it quickly. One remesh. Yeah, this is fine. Control W, export. You can see this shoe remesh worked really nicely. You can see the topology, mesh flow, everything is very good. So few of the parts it will work beautifully. You don't have to do anything. But for a couple of parts you have to retopo. There is no other way. Like so, those things you have to check. So this is like you can see it's really nice, clean topology and shape and everything is retained nicely. Let's go quickly export this. Control W.
Sir, you remeshed it in ZBrush itself.
Yes, everything I'm remeshing in ZBrush only.
Okay.
Sir, in my model, when I Z remesh the leg, the fingers are getting chopped off. Like when it goes to low poly, the fingers are like gone.
Remesh or Dynamesh?
Z remesh.
Z-Remesh, then if it's happening, then what you can do, you can increase the remesh like value, the amount, the number, like it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like, because your entire body is visible, so you need to have decent amount of polygon. So increase it to 10, 20, 50, and then remesh it.
My legs are separate. So I was thinking legs alone, some 10K is enough.
Legs
But
alone 10K is too much.
okay.
They will have, we can definitely keep high. Yes, in your character, all the muscles are visible. Yes, all the volumes are there. So you need to have those things in your low poly as well. So 10K should be enough. Yes, but make sure your head and body attach it in low poly.
Yes, sir. Like if you check the submission file, like there is
But
few terms.
you sent me a file. Okay,
Uh-huh.
okay. Let me check it.
Sir, in my case, the body is not really visible much. So
You can
should I-
delete. You can delete like same what I did. Right here you can see I have deleted all the legs. Whatever is not visible, delete it.
Okay, sir.
Let's download.
And sir, like in my feet, like my model's feet, I can see like कुछ एंगल से सर दिख रहा है कि पीछे hollow है थोड़ा, तो that all I can fix in while I'm rendering like shots angle के साथ.
But like traditionally, like what we do is whatever we're creating, low poly, high poly, or anything, we try to keep it like pura complete, finished, pura. So इसमें render में we don't have to do anything.
No sir, I'm talking about कि मतलब जिस साइड से वो नहीं दिख रहा है उस साइड से शॉट लेने का.
नहीं, हाँ, that's all. Like, but वो income, हाँ, वो initially you can definitely do it, but the thing is कि वो model फिर complete नहीं हुआ ना.
Okay sir.
क्योंकि
Sir,
वो
for the
yes, tell me.
sir actually तो सर अभी हेड को हम लोग रीटोपो कर रहे हैं बिकॉज लाइक वो दिखने वाले मेन पीस है,
Main piece है.
फोकस है एंड एनिमेशन वहां पर रहेगा. तो सर देन बॉडी को तो नॉर्मल रीमेश कर सकते हैं ना इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग टोपो.
अच्छा, okay, I'll just one thing. Industry standard है कि whenever you create a high poly, you have to retopo. There is no other way around. उसको skip नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है? Professionally, उसको skip नहीं कर सकते. But for your personal portfolio, if you want to use remesh, it works.
नहीं सर, बट व्हाई इज दैट सर? लाइक डिफरेंस क्या है सर? लाइक
There's huge difference. No, it's not animation friendly. Because see, okay, I'll just say, suppose this is my model and I want to animate, and this entire model have a lot of accessories, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
if the topology doesn't match, if the I don't have enough topology, like this one and this one, if there's a huge difference in mesh distribution.
Yes,
So
sir.
what will happen? Suppose it bends, this character bends, this thing will intersect with the body.
हाँ.
So that's why you retopo. So that like retopo, or that's why the poly distribution should be even. Otherwise, वो intersection होगा. So and फिर अगर intersection होगा, that means it's not model is wrong.
So that means सर आपका जो बॉडी है आपने अभी तक रिटोपो नहीं किया है.
नहीं बॉडी नहीं किया. बॉडी तो ये देखो ना, बॉडी ये this is ZBrush model only. So body retopo करना है मेरे को. So because I'm not getting enough time to do it, even this horn thing I have to retopo because this is ZBrush model. This is like really dense. You can see it's 33,000.
Yes, sir.
It's like way too much. So only for the horns I'll
But
optimize.
horn तो you can remesh, right, sir?
Yes.
Like it's a static piece. No?
Static piece, yes. Horn I can remesh, but remesh में there is a problem. I will
Okay.
lose all these small, tiny, all these like pinches, all these things,
Yes,
those
sir.
horns. I
Yes,
lose
sir.
that. So even if I can remesh it and then again have to bring it back to Maya and fix those areas.
Okay.
So like this kind of static shape, it's perfectly works. Like this works, this works, this works. Zero mesh. Because these are like solid geometry, it will move in one direction at any given point of time.
Yes,
There
sir.
is no like what do you call it? Like bending or anything. But this and all these things, this will bend. And
Yes, sir.
plus this character, if it moves, there's a possibility this part might bend because for animation, from animation point of
Ha
view,
ha. Yes, sir.
right, this neck needs to bend,
Yes, sir.
otherwise it won't look nice. So neck, I need to topology right now almost fine, but I need to make them more clear and straight, like that, like this direction. It's almost correct, but I just need to make sure like there is no pinch or anything.
Mhm.
And plus, like if I want, I can keep this teeth separate also. I can make it this geometry separate, and those teeth and all those things are there. They are already separate. This strap, I can definitely bake it directly on the face.
Yes, sir.
But if I keep it separate, I have to make sure there's enough topology so that like if whenever this character moves or open its mouth, this also move together.
Yes, sir.
So it's a Sara I retopo ka, this retopo ka, the main funda is it should be animation friendly. That's why we're doing retopo. Otherwise, there is no requirement of retopo if we're doing only a piece just to render. तो
Okay,
उसमें
sir.
उसका उसमें रीटू का कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. But if you want to make this thing industry like in standard wise, if you want to match with that, then we have to retopo. There is no other way then, because in industry 99% time you have to retopo, because I know like a lot retopo is a time consuming process and a tedious process. Like if you set and slowly fix everything, all the parts, the time consuming process, we get frustrated and all, but this is what you have to do. Okay,
Okay,
in this professional you have to do, there is no other way around, you cannot skip this. So if you make it a practice, it becomes easy for you. If you don't make it a practice, industry mein jaake fir you have to struggle it, right? So it's better struggle now, and then in industry mein jaake you don't have to like struggle.
yes, sir.
Okay, so like I have, what I did is I just increase the thickness, like I deleted the thickness because it's, you can see it's really thin, so I can make it a double-sided material and do it. That will be like really easy for me instead of like oh no, wrong. Okay, I have to set and this is, see, this is what problem. Like ZBrush, if I remesh, these are like so thin. Delete it. Delete. So one-sided, I can make it double-sided texture. Or if I want to increase the thickness also, after unwrapping, I can increase the thickness. So I don't have to unwrap both the sides. So that also works. So because I need to like think of a point of, from this point of view also, I need to optimize my time utilization. I have to like to manage my time, whatever time I have. So how within that given period of time, how I can finish this thing, and how I can speed this thing, entire thing up. So if I only unwrap this thing, this is unwrapping. This is super easy. Just open your unwrap, apply a planner. What's wrong? Weird. Unwrap, unfold, and this unfold is working weirdly. So I'll just use smoothly here.
Is there any different option, like a different option for pelt unwrapping?
No,
Or is it
there
like,
is no pelt unwrapping in Maya. There is no pelt unwrapping. So Maya, this is the older version. This is 2015. In 2021, it works beautifully. You just unfold it. It unwraps everything, like without any problem, no distortion, nothing.
so, but what kind of unwrapping are we gonna do? Like normal, or do we use
Normal, normal,
pelt?
normal, normal. There's no pelt because
So, but then like in ArtStation portfolio में like ऐसा बहुत देखा character like they unwrap the character or like the body, the skin and everything has a pelt unwrap. So why is that, sir?
Why? Where pelt and wrap? Tell me. They don't pelt it. Like this is face. Suppose this is my head. So what I'll do is like in my case, my this is that ZBrush model that Rutupo or not this, because I created that line, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
suppose this is my ZBrush model. So anyways, let's try. But this much only visible. Rest anything is not visible, right? In my character. So I'll just simply use automatic or a planner or anything.
Sir. This is how it's unwrapped.
This is how you're supposed to unwrap. Like character unwrapping is like this only. It's a standard format.
So,
It's a
but then why do they call it pelt unwrapping for this?
Pelt is basically you define the edges and stretch it, right? So
Okay.
in this case, right now, okay, I'll show you this, what happens. Okay, like actually, let me apply a checker map here. Because phased unwrapping is slightly different from the organic unwrapping is slightly different from rest of the.
Yes, sir.
So 20 by 20. So
like I would doubt it, like because whenever I've seen, like I just get confused how they manage the stretching and all checker map ka.
So you can see if I do this, you can see almost everywhere fine, but only the corners are stretched.
Yes, sir.
So in this case, what they do is like few things they separate, like face in mouth. We can see here this loop or this loop. Okay, not this one. It's right inside the entire loop. I'll select and cut it. Then shall separate this one. So mouth can open now easily. Similarly, eyes, we have a lot of this detail. So if I want, this is like, okay, this one is optional. I can select this entire loop, separate the inside part. That is, I can keep it also, I can separate also. So this is my main face. Then what I have to do is I have to unwrap this thing. Let's see, half of it, unfold. Okay. Unfold. Inside you can see it's stretching, all this thing is happening. That is something we have to fix now. So smooth, I can use smooth, unfold. Unfold you have in 2020, and this relax, use this. Now in 2020, relax is not there because this is like, you see, it's useless.
Awesome.
So now, so if you go back, you can see most of the checkers are matched. Nose, there is a stretch. No matter what you do, slightly stretch will be there on nose, but there are ways to fix it. Fix means reduce it. So for this, what we'll do is, like suppose I'll switch my symmetry. Hopefully it will work on this. No, not working. Use this. Not working. Use this. So I'll select base part because I need more space here, mouth. So to fix this, there is one more way. I can cut this mouth. Then I cut this, so this is separated now, and just simply unfold it, make it like unfold. Everything is clear. Inside mouth, this lip side, slightly stretch will be there. Nose, there is, I can see clearly, slightly stretched. So how to fix it? I select the center part of this. Soft selection. Scale it. And then this part unfold again. So it will your stretch and all this thing you have to fix. Very strange. Unfold to get rid of those stretches. Why is that affecting pin border? Okay, pin border is on. So So nose, no matter what you do, slightly stretch will be there because we cannot cut off the nose and keep it separate and fix it. We cannot do that. Yes, we can do that in production. Movies, we do that. But in games, we don't do it. Reason, then there will be a seam and it will become super difficult to manage it.
Okay.
That's why we don't do it. And now this thing is kind of ready. So now what I'll do is,
Sir,
Tell
okay,
me?
sir. नहीं नहीं like but वही मैं पूछा सर like अभी तो आपने like वो सब separate करके like रखा था ना.
हाँ तभी कंबाइन कर रहा हूँ ना, इसको कंबाइन करना है उसको. Cannot keep it separate.
Okay, okay, because the same.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
Like face में next to the under chin, like that wherever you have this neck and chin connecting, there you can have a seam. That is acceptable. That part is because that part is not that prominently visible. So
Okay.
for those area you can definitely keep, but lips, nose, eyes, or forehead, wherever it's prominently visible, no seams at all. So okay, let's see edge. I'll select everything and select this. Moving so still I can see that issue. So I'll just simply unfold it nicely. So these areas now I have to manually fix, and in this case I can use a relax. So relax will open this space, and you can see slightly stretch. So that stretch I have to manually fix. Organic or unwrap is most of, like, especially face, fingers, hands, those are manual. Like your legs and arms will unwrap in one click, but like your fingers and your lips and nose, those areas have to manually fix. There is no other way. So let's see. Now I have selected this thing. So let's see. Double click.
Okay, sir, like the one you showed. Okay, I now remember. Sir, ZBrush में आपने unwrapping दिखाया था ना sir, ये character का in the start.
Yes.
हाँ, sir, उसमें आपने like just on an option you clicked and it was like पीछे से एक cut and everything just stretched opened up. Like,
Yes.
हाँ, sir, उसको क्या बोलते हैं फिर?
That is spelt only. That is spelt only.
Okay, okay.
That is spelled only, but thing is like uske liye, like to find, like that is like ZBrush automatic thing, and that is not highly optimized. So final texturing ke liye, you have to make sure our UV is perfect, like as much as possible. So jitna maximum possible utna I have to avoid it. Now it's fine. And now this thing, what I'll do is I'll reduce it like this, keep it really low. Because wherever you have a gap, you need to have, wherever you have a seam, you need to give a little gap. Otherwise, because for the padding, right? That padding effect, you need to have little space here. That is like really important. And now, so this you don't have enough space here. So what I'll do here is B, slightly increase. And if I want, I can select this also, because I don't know, due to some strange reason, symmetry is not working properly. I'll push slightly down. I believe something I missed here. Slightly down so that this area doesn't stretch. Then now one by one, except this loop, I have to fix, unfold, UV, unfold, UV. Oh, sorry. Unfold.
So unfold is basically relax. In
Yes, it's like kind of relax. Yes. Unfold. So UV. Unfold.
sir, आप कौन सा are you clicking shift to
Like to select edges, just left mouse button, like edge, right click, edge mode,
Hmm.
edge, control, right click to UV. So it will now it's in UV mode. Like Maya have multiple modes. Like like Max also have, but Max don't have a UV mode, right? Maya, you have a UV mode also. So if you want to move anything in UV, but in a new 2020, you don't have to switch to UV mode. You can just open the UV editor and move your UVs. It works beautifully because this is a like 2015 version. In this, you have to go to UV mode and then modify the UV.
Okay.
So that's why I'm doing that one extra step. So and
Sir,
yes.
is it like a necessity that you have to unwrap in Maya itself, or can we export the model into Max? And
Yes, you can do it, but if you do it in Maya 20, because I don't have 2020 here. If I use 2020, I can do it. This is like way easy. Like reason, I will telling you reason. Reason is, suppose I am going to and because in my character I have a lot of asset, like small parts, right? So during retopo, or maybe suppose I use one part from ZBrush directly, like shoe. Suppose I use it from directly from ZBrush. So, but while unwrapping, I identified there is a issue in my topology. Because
yes,
and this is something while unwrapping, you should be able, if you unwrap it properly, you should be able to identify any error, irrespective of your any kind of model. You should be able to identify any error in your model. Maybe it's a extra edge, maybe it's a extra vertex, or something there is nothing welded or something. You should be able to identify if you're doing it properly. So in Maya, you can directly fix it and then unwrap it. But in Max, you have to come out of your UV mode, then fix it again, go back to UV, and then opt off. If you want
no,
to use,
yes, sir, I understand that. Yeah, sir, I understand that. But the thing is, sir, मेरा जो accessories है, I made it in Max. I have the low poly in Max. So wouldn't that be easier for me to unwrap those? Can I do that? Like I can unwrap those
you can
parts.
use both. Yes, you can use both the software. You can use Max, unwrap it there, import it to Maya, unwrap the body in Maya, import it into Max. You can use
Yes,
because if most of the students, like you have this Technicolor, you have like MPC. So most of the like AAA like big studios, they have both the softwares, Maya and Max. So and if you because just to optimize your time, because it's all end of the day, it's all about timing.
yes, sir.
If you like, suppose you have Max Maya, so any other third party plugin you may have, may not have, it may not be there, right?
Yes,
so,
sir.
so I don't, that's why I never like ask you to use any third party software, because what if it's not there, right? So you
Yes,
get
sir.
dependent on that, and then you'll stuck. So try to use native software, native tools, because most of the company have Max Maya, and they have their in-house some tools, or they have some license and all, they use it. In that case, you can definitely use it. So what you can do, if you just to optimize, like this face, I can unwrap in ZBrush also. Like in this condition, without the head, without the skull, I can unwrap this thing in ZBrush also, and it will work beautifully without any problem. So,
Yes,
so in that case, you can definitely use ZBrush, you can use Maya, you can use Max, like whatever is available to you. Or if you want, you can use Substance Unwrap also. But Substance will triangulate. That's the only problem.
Okay, sir.
Substance will triangulate the model. So you can use anything, doesn't matter, as long as your UV is correct and your like time, you're able to, like whatever time given to you, you can finish it off within that time period.
Yes, sir. Sir, and one more doubt, sir, मेरा जो model है, उसमें sir, my thigh portion is actually hidden inside the
You can
pant.
delete.
I can delete that portion.
Yes,
right?
yes. Anything is not visible, just delete it.
Yes. Do I need to give some breathing space, like inside portion में जो थोड़ा रखना पड़ेगा extra?
नहीं, थोड़ा सा, like one loop extra you need to keep, so that like whenever character moves or something, there's no hole. Basically, that hole should not be visible. Or what you can do, there's two things. Either I can just simply, like in my case, what I did is here I kept you can see
Okay. Yes, sir.
1,
Yeah.
2, 3 loops extra.
Yes, sir.
Either you keep 1, 2 loops extra, or make sure the number, this loop and this, like the number of loops are equal and they snap perfectly.
Okay. Yes,
Either
sir.
you snap it or you just push it inside.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, we are doing this. So let's see. So lips, this is something like no matter what you do, this is something you have to fix manually only. There's no other way around. So unfold. And anyways, this is like this is what do you call it? Like this is ZBrush model, so that not the Retopo one. That's why I can see those like triangulated this pinch and all. That is something we removed it, so we have to like in a new Maya unfolded this side. Now here it's this layout, so fix it. So you have to make sure like whenever you create this thing, UV mode. So now I have to fix all these things, this especially lip area, manually. There is no other way, because no matter what you do, it will stretch. So this area, align properly. Though this loop is not correct, so finally I'll use my Retopo one only. I won't use this, because this will give me all this pinch and issues. So, and easiest for body, especially for body, the easiest way of doing it, delete the half model, create one part, then symmetry. And make sure whenever you're unwrapping, especially head, the central line is always straight, perfectly straight. So that is something you have to keep in your mind. UV straight. UV straight, perfectly straight, and rest everything can be different. So this part I can like fix, one part I can fix here. You can zoom in and check. As long as this stretch is not visible. Let's see where it is. Here. Like this, manually, all these lines manually have to fix and correct everything is near to lips and nose. With soft selection, slightly have to increase. No matter what you do, little bit stretch will be there. So that is unavoidable. You cannot do anything, but we have all the details in high poly, so it will bake perfectly. So without any problem, it will bake. So there won't be any issue. So something like this will unwrap, and after unwrapping and this mouth in, what I'll do is, oh, sorry, hide. Deselect, cut, border I can see, unfold. Unfold. Unfold and smooth easily. Unfold it with perfectly clean in mouth. And you can see here the lips area stretch. That is something I have to fix. So what I can do here now, select this area and unfold and switch on my pin border. So border won't change. Okay. Switch on pin border, right? Oh. So you can fix it. Slightly stretch. So if I do to get rid of this thing, select the space, slightly soft selection, move it down. So less stretch, slightly stretch is okay. That part is not visible. This part is fine. Okay. So slightly stretch this area will be there, but our job is to make sure that reduce it like as much as possible, because there is no other way. You cannot like until now, unless you cut this from lips, you cannot fix it, or you can cut this nose separate, you cannot fix it. So what we do, we just like push this thing slightly down, pull this thing slightly up, and then try to match it with the surface. Okay, let's see.
Sir, can we not cut the nose, the nostril holes?
Nostril holes you can cut, like anything which is not that prominently visible. Nostril holes will be slightly darker in color and it won't be visible. So we can cut it definitely. So that won't help actually. It's like very small, tiny space. It won't help.
Okay.
So like that is something you can definitely do and fix it, and then unwrap. Make sure everything is clean. This area, no matter what you do, nose this like because nose is quite long, right? It protruding outside from your body. So this part will be slightly stretched. Whatever you do, it will be there. You can reduce it. Yes, definitely can reduce it. This corner, I feel like, okay, this will look slightly more stretchy if I want. I can like pull it like this and make it little less stretched. That is something what I can do. More than this, I cannot do anything. So make sure like reduce the stretch as much as possible, because there is no other way to fix it 100%. So like if 60 70 80% we can definitely fix it and reduce it. Okay, so the thing I import, okay, I was importing body, those things, notes and all. I have this one. So this is, so here also you can see it's pretty dense, this one. So the rest is kind of fine. Control W. But that is the only, here I can see I can just simply delete all those in between lines and it will become my super low poly. And this part I have to retop only. So I just create one duplicate. I'll do that. So like super dense. Maybe 0.1. Let's import rest of the parts. Is it double? No. Soft edges. Everything is soft now. This double-sided thing, I'll definitely fix it. I'll delete one side and keep it clean. Like for unwrapping, like suppose for unwrapping, what I'll do is I'll just unwrap only one shoe. One I'll delete. So here I can see this my okay. Delete, delete, clean. Suppose I want to unwrap it. I just applied automatic. This one is automatic. UV. I need to give it a this thing. What do you call it? I need to separate this part. So you can see this is not ready to post. So that's why all these problems. So fix it. Make sure fix everything. Let's see. You can see this is not correct loop. So I have to this area at least have to redo it. It should continue, create a circular shape. Got.
Sir, how will you fix that?
I have to redo. I'll delete this section. I'll
Okay.
delete this like this. These two delete, and then again extrude and manually create this thing. So I'll create a ring. Like it should be a continuous loop. Any shape like it's extruding. It's a round shape. So I'll extrude it again. Like I suppose I'll delete this thing. Delete. 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 So here I can see this is some a little distortion. So I'll just select these two, merge, and select this. Extrude. So now I'll create that shape again separately. So now it's a continuous loop. So I can cut this thing and keep it a separate part entirely. Nothing to do with the body. Previously, all those loops are random, right? So now it become a correct loop. Now I can just simply use it and fix nicely.
But it won't be in the same shape as the high poly, right?
No, I'll bring the high poly and top of that I build it. Or I'll what I can okay, I'll just undo.
Like the leg part, I have to retop, right? Like the fingers.
Yes, fingers. So what I'll do, Control D. So I kept a backup. So kept a backup, and the second this model, I just delete.
Okay.
Now I'll delete this, and I have a backup. I know the shape, and be top of that I'll build it. I'll create this thing. So
Like on top of that, Quattro.
Yes, I can use Quadro or manual. This is a small part. I can do manually also. So just fix it. Like we have to fix the topology. That's it.
Okay.
That's why I'll fix it. So unwrapping this thing is to fix, correct it, and shoe only one seam will be there, either this side inside or maybe back. Outside, no seam. And this part, this is a separate section altogether. This will be separate, like foot and all, like the under part of the foot. We always keep it separate from the main body because that part is rarely visible. So we keep it small and separate. And this is like I can just simply unwrap this thing really nicely. So like suppose not this side. Okay. I'll keep one complete seam. You can see becomes like, if I keep this thing separate, unwrapping becomes super easy. And the base, yes, this base also have to keep it separate. This is something I cannot combine it. Cut it, keep it separate. And this part, anyways, have to separate it. Cut. And anyways, have to recreate this thing. Layout. And fold. Smooth easy. Unfold. Oh, pin border is on. Yes, I forgot. Smooth, pin is on. Pin, unfold, corrected. So it's everything is clean. Only one seam throughout the model, and this base part, anyways, again the sole part is not visible, so you can just keep it separate. So, and all this thing are well together, stitched together, and keep it separate. I really have to fix it. With this one by one, we fix all the part, and now this thing I have created at once, right? So it becomes super easy for me to create this thing. I'll just, what is wrong with this? Unfold. See, at once. You don't have to do anything. Everything unwraps. Only thing you have to make sure this is like angle and all this thing have to fix. So like this, we have to unwrap. Like first unwrap everything, all parts separately. So after like everything first, like whatever part you are like retopo that first, and there will be few parts you can definitely use it from directly from ZBrush. Like in case of Uday, he can use the shots directly from ZBrush. Retopo is not required, but for body, face, and all that is required. But base model, if base model topology is clean, he can use a direct low poly. Then in the other case, you can use that all those armors. Yes, you have to retopo, make it super low poly because it's all angular. So you can make it really super low poly and bake everything. Then in case of this CEO, so you can also like body, like yes, in your case a lot of parts you can definitely use from directly from ZBrush. Only thing you need to keep in mind, all the bending points like elbow, your like arm, this wrist, and your fingers. The only thing you need to keep in mind, your bending points, because your muscles, that outer, that biceps is separate in high poly, right? So low poly, it will be one single geometry, but you just have to make sure that loops on elbow, you need to have at least 3 loops to bend. So elbow need to 3 loops, shoulder needs at least 3 loops, wrist needs at least 3 loops. So those things you need to keep in mind. Rest everything you can, like in your case, like all those horn and all, you can definitely use it from ZBrush directly. That works. So all the static part you can definitely use it from ZBrush, but rest the organic part you have to recreate it. Okay, I'll just take it attendance. Just give me a second. So again, like I don't know, like this system, like
Sir,
yes, tell me.
Sir, Sijo's power went out.
Okay, I'll update it. No problem. Just give me a second. I just will take a screenshot.
Sir, in my model, I sent the low poly of the torso, upper torso.
Okay. Okay, I'll check it. I'll check it. I'll check
Like
it.
I wanted to know if the poly distribution is enough. Like, should I make it even more high poly? Like, not all that muscles are visible in low poly.
No, like all muscles are like no need for that. Low poly is this biofile, right?
Sir?
You have sent me low poly. This one is low poly.
No, like torso low, there is a OBJ file which I created in Maya.
This one.
Ah, that thing only.
Okay. Hmm.
I sent the OBJ file only.
Okay,
The low
I'll
poly.
check it separately because I have another class now. So I'll
Okay,
check it.
okay.
I have downloaded it. I'll check it. Then I reply back. I'll save it. Okay, then I'll see you guys later.
Yes, sir.
If possible, like if I have like because you see, tomorrow also I have 3-4 classes. So if I have enough time, we'll conduct another extra class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. I'll see you guys.